bird bandits.
Tanura, no? No? What is up kayo?
Okay, so everyone.
Now, girls, remember that boys already got 1 point, so let's cheer louder for Azul to win this time. And we're going to do it for a free race. Okay, guys, are you ready for the second round? Okay, so birds ready, fingers ready, get set, go! Now, here comes one for the table. Now, first, ring for blue. Purpose to the second table. What is this? So there's the 3 rings at the same time. Taken by the girls. Okay, so they're now, did you see that? 3 rings at the same time. What did you say? No, did you guys cheat?
No, we didn't cheat. Azul just used her brain.
Okay, so is it true that the girls are nicer than the boys? Okay, now for the round of applause, our beautiful pair of blue and gold for Blue and Azul. Okay, now decide. I need an adult volunteer with our money bill. Just raise your hand now, please. So it's not possible to rent intelligence, memory, and perception. And also they use this skill in the wild to find food and find cover. The rich birds typically see dark souls and minerals along the river banks. And there you go, intelligence right on around the clock are 3 rings of bandits. Find an object first, please. We're going to be goldie searching, scanning each round. And there you go, see, found it. Oh, the round of clock is slightly very goldie.
Bawa bisa no? Bawa bisa kita. Tukar gila.
Once again, snow is our lubricant calcium. Gawa sa nila niya guys, no? Nakakita ko trivia earlier regarding this snow. Okay, so sinir ka, our equation is 5 plus 7. Do you think snow can answer your equation? Okay, snow, please solve the equation for us. And you pick the first number 1. So guys, you pick the first number correct. Yes, let's start snow. Now off to the second number. The small reading loves math. Okay, there is the answer is correctly. How about the round of applause are math in the readers? No.
Right lang daw.
Like a nice level of pure white and green. Yes. Okay, now lastly we can remember about there is snow. So snow is going to look at or the scientific name, or the feathers. These birds in Latin is the rock archipelago of eastern Indonesia. They are the largest among the wild species. So snow how species fly for the feather of the grass. That's why they're called the starry crescent galaxy. So guys, in general, cockatoos flex or expose their crest feather as an indication of their mood. So whether they're excited, happy, pregnant, or mating. So those are all the factors by using their crest feather. So mga factors lang siya guys. Pero ang main reason ang natin sa crest feather is don't sleep for parasitism. It's an ability for this bird can obtain other animals without certainly must have more time and energy. So there you go for Rabbit Kingdom. Now in the world of birds of prey, female 200 animals to live. Okay, you Matt, please come join your front and bring with you your body bill. So guys, as you'll notice, most of our birds in the show are parrots. It's because parrots are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and physically inclined. They have a good memory and can remember even the smallest and slightest details. Okay, ma'am? Please come forward here. Okay, can I have the one view? So medyo hangin guys, no? The blue fly is over. Gets the money. What's next, blue? Now Blue flies back into the table, and I guess Blue wants to donate the money. I want to run for generous donor. Okay, man, I have a question for you before you go. Are you okay with your 100 peso donation for the birds? Absolutely. So, kung okay lang din mo, makapag kasi ka naman 500 na good money. Wala naman. Actually, we are just kidding, smart show. We will return your money, but before that, you're gonna have photo opportunity with our lovely bird. And also, you can use your phone, or you can choose our official photographer right over there. So, who will gonna want to take the picture? Yeah, I can do.
Buta na sa bird.
Ayan, ito sa picture ni Blue.
Oh.
Okay. Now, give us your best pose and best smile together. We are Money Bird Blue.
Oh, ang langgam.
Okay, there you go. And here's the money back. How about so let's now keeps our environment clean and fresh, saves the earth from global warming and reduces environmental pollution. Now let's come together and say one great inspiration of God and give no violation. Now see, if Blue can do it, then so can we.
Oh.
So guys, before we end our show, we are inviting all of you to have or to grab a souvenir photo with our lovely bird. So after the show guys, you're gonna have a photo opportunity with the lovely bird. So ganito guys, at sa tabangan, mag-photo operation. So by the way, we have an official photographer right over there. So siya ang naka-assign ng all pictures to you. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoy our bird show. Now, are the birds spectacular? Again, are the birds spectacular? Yes, well, in all ways, no matter how small the effort we take, let's take action in saving them from extinction. And please, let's do our part in saving this wonderful world, because remember, this is the only home that we got. Now, let's present to you the birds and the trainers in the show possible. We have trainer Jael Vinyal above there as DJ. We have trainer Pete right here with Blue, and trainer Kata, the down dog, with the open pigeons. And along the other snaps, here is the Blue Ocean Farm. This is me again, PJ, the host for this afternoon. Thank you for watching and goodbye! Okay, once again, for those who want us to take a photo with the lovely bird, pwede na mo sa kabangan guys, we're going to start the photo operation with the lovely birds. So by the way, thank you for visiting the Blue Ocean Farm.
So, nigawas namin sa Ocean Park mga paps. Nagkuha namin sa sakyanan. At bang rin sa SM City mga paps. SM City, SM Seaside. So, nanami din sa El Corso mga paps. Pero manami og kaon. Daghan mi kayo diri mga paps, kung kauban ko mga boss. Diri mi naglunch mga paps. So babay na kay mo uli na mi sa balay mga paps.
Hindi pwedeng sumuko, hindi rin pwedeng mapagod para sa pamilya ko.